guys, it's me, and I am doing an unboxing for this month's Loot Crate. Now, this is going to be a tad harder for me to do because I'm using a different camera than I usually do, and this is a smaller camera, so yeah, let's just get into this. I've already cut the tape. Now, first I can see, this is real cool. I'm a huge Futurama fan. It's the ship that they usually use, which for Planet Express. Another thing you can see here, Star Trek: The Next Generation. So I'll put this. I guess I'll put that there and quickly open this to see what exactly it is. I'm very curious to see what it actually is. Oh, this is actually pretty neat. It is saying it's got, I get the light to focus on it. It's kind of hard. It's got a bunch of the different I guess people who've actually worked on the show. So this got something from Mega Man. I have never really had any experience with Mega Man, but I guess I'll check out a little bit of it. Probably gonna keep this in the package, and I guess I'll keep it on my display with other Funko Pops. Okay, got the shirt that they usually come with. I'm trying to put it on the chair. Get it good. It's got a bunch of stuff. I assume that pretty much it's either all or mostly, at least mostly, from Rick and Morty. Till there, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be Futurama. Then a whole bunch. Then Rick's portal gun. And so Rick and Morty right there. Now you can see it comes with a comic. Guess I'll have to read this. Seems interesting. Then it's got a pin. The Live Long and Prosper. Seems to be pretty neat. And then it's got the booklet that shows all the stuff that it's got, and all other stuff. And you can see inside the box it's pretty futuristic. Yeah, I think this is pretty neat. So I'm probably not going to do another one of it. I'm not sure if I'll be doing another one of these for next month or months coming, or any coming months, but I guess we'll see what happens. So bye guys, see ya.